This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data. Close Outlook, export or copy your PSD/OSD, and write down account details so you can reconnect quickly. Once done, open Run Win+R because you'll use a simple command to clear navigation and view customizations. This saves time versus hunting every option. Make sure you have admin rights. Without them, you may not reset everything. Now proceed to run the reset commands I'll describe in the next step to restore default behavior. You'll run Outlook. exe/resetNavPane from Run. This clears corrupted navigation settings and often fixes missing folders. Once Outlook opens, go to View and choose Reset View to undo column, sort, and filter changes. This restores default displays. If mail behavior is still off, create a fresh profile. Open Control Panel Mail Show Profiles Add, then add your account and set it as default. This isolates profile corruption, so you can continue with a clean slate without losing data. You finish by adding your accounts to the new or reset profile and importing the PSD you backed up. This returns mail, calendar, and contacts to normal. Once done, verify sync, rules, and signatures so your confident settings are default. If something still misbehaves, start Outlook in safe mode. Hold Control when launching to test add-ins. Make sure to recreate the profile entirely if corruption persists. That single troubleshooting step resolves most lingering issues and gets you back to a clean Outlook setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.